Hi everyone, it's Christmas time, and who doesn't need a little cocoa in their cup this season? If you're interested in having a little cocoa with me, stick around. Hi everyone, I'm Amy and welcome back to My Crafty Home. So as I mentioned, cocoa cups, yay! It's that time of season where we're all just kind of getting cozy by the fire, by the Christmas tree with a nice cup of hot cocoa. Well, these cocoa cups are really easy, fun to do with the grandkids, the kids, or even to make for yourself. So if that sounds like some fun to you, stick around and I'll show you how to do these fun little cups. I wanted to also mention, if you're interested in some of our home build, stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll share some new and exciting things with you. But first, let's get to the cocoa cups. This is some good stuff. It's good.
All right, let me show you what you'll need. You'll need some mini marshmallows. These I got from the Dollar Tree. This is some milk chocolate cocoa. That's also from the Dollar Tree. Some cute little straws. They're paper straws, and those are also from the Dollar Tree. And these little loop bags, they're like little potty bags. This is what I had on hand, but I definitely recommend ones that don't have designs. These are cute. These are edibles, and I got these from the actually I got those from Walmart. They were only like $2. And these here are paper cups. I also got those from the Dollar Tree. And the chocolates I actually got at Walmart. These this is the Baker's unsweetened chocolate and the mini semi-sweet chocolates. Those again I got at Walmart. And I got some cute little sprinkles also from Walmart. They're the holiday sprinkles. And you're going to need some tape and a little Ziploc bag. So the next thing I did was put the Baker's chocolate in the microwave, and I put this in the microwave for 30 seconds for each time. I took it out and stirred it until it was all melted. So we're going to get our little cups, and you want to cut them down the seam. Once you cut the cup, you're going to want to put a piece of tape to seal it back up again. So this will allow you to pour the chocolate into the cup, and generously put a couple teaspoons definitely into the cup. You're going to want to just roll it until the whole sides of the cup are completely covered in chocolate. If you are looking for any of these products, please look in the description below for a full list of any products that you may want to purchase. Once they are all covered in chocolate, go ahead and put it in the freezer for maybe I'll say about like 5-10 minutes. Now while those are cooling, I'm going to get my semi-sweet chocolate chips and I'm going to put it in the microwave for 30-second intervals to melt those down. Now comes the delicate part. Did this work or did this not work? So be very careful when you go ahead and peel off the paper cup. Don't worry about the top. If it's not perfect, it's okay. So as you can see here, I'm taking off the tape and I'm peeling away the paper cup just like I did with the first one there. But at the very beginning of pulling this apart, it just it was a mess right from the beginning. Yep, that one didn't work. Now that we're ready to get all of our items ready to decorate our little cocoa cups, get your semi-sweet melted chocolates, put it in a baggie, and put it in the corner there. And you're going to snip just a little sliver of one of the little edges there. So let's see if another one works. So I'm going to peel this ever so gently, and yes, this one was success. So let's go ahead and start getting our little cup together here. I'm using some of the melted chocolate that we put in the bag as kind of like glue. I'm going to put a little on the edge here and stick the little sugar snowflake right in the front there. And you're going to get about 1 or 2 tablespoons of hot cocoa, whatever amount that you like, and then you're going to add your little mini marshmallows. Now I did cut the straw. I wish I hadn't. I would have liked them a little bit longer, but I put a little chocolate there so that way when it hardens up, it'll kind of be stable and it won't move. So go ahead and sprinkle some of that chocolate right on the top of the marshmallows. Put some of your holiday sprinkles on there and make it look so cute. And voila, you're done. How cute is that? Now I'm going to want to give these as gifts, so I'm going to get my little potty bag that I had on hand. Again, if you have one that is clear, I definitely recommend that over the ones that have the decorations over it because it kind of hides the design. But here's where I'm going to use the tape. I don't like those corners, so I'm going to use the tape to wrap the corners in the back of the cocoa cup. I made a couple and they each came out so cute and so unique in their own little way. I love the little sugar snowflakes, and there's even one with a snowman, but look at this one. This is so cute. Again, they're delicate, so be very careful when handling them, but they all didn't come out as a success, unfortunately. I had a few that just didn't make it. And here are our 2 losers. Yes, we had ones that just didn't make it. This one kind of collapsed with extra hot chocolate on the top. And the other one here, it just wasn't, the chocolate wasn't thick enough when I put it in. So make sure that you put plenty of chocolate so that the sides of the chocolate are nice and thick. As promised, we have a house update. Yes, we have a well. They just drilled and we now have water on our land. They put some pipes in our soon-to-be basement, and I'm crawling in and out of the basement. Well, I'm so happy that you guys were able to join us today at My Crafty Home, making these cute little cocoa cups. I hope that you enjoy them. Well, I hope that you'll also enjoy this video, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.